August 2016. Dear students, I wish to express my happiness to be in your midst and to exchange some of my views with you. I would like to state at the outset that I am much impressed by the beauty of this city. I am also aware of the fact that this city is well known for its educational institutions which attract students from all parts of the country. I would also like to place on record my appreciation for the student community which has given color and life to this function. I am very happy to participate in the centenary celebrations of this educational institution, which is one of the oldest in this city. I am told that this institution had a humble beginning when it was started 100 years ago. I am also aware that it was established to educate a few girls of this area and its surrounding. It is a matter of great satisfaction for all of us that it has become a famous institution of learning and it is considered as one of the best performing schools in the whole country. This educational institution is very well known for its standard of education. This has become possible because of the hard work and dedication of its staff and also students. I hope that this school will continue its good work in the field of education in the years to come. You are all aware of the fact that education alone helps the students to understand the world and to become better individuals. On this occasion, I think it is my duty to advise you to prepare yourself for a very bright future. I hope that you will appreciate the fact that women make up about half the population of our country. A nation progress without educating and empowering its women. It is important for primary and secondary schools to provide more support to their students so that they may become self-confident and strong. At this juncture, I would like to stress the need to improve the economic condition of women, particularly in villages and rural areas. There is no doubt that this could be done through the activities of women self-help group. I believe that an educated woman can take better care of her family. With these words, I express my good wishes to you for success in the years to come. Thank you. Letter dated 1st February 2016 from James and Company, Kolkata to Messrs. Keshavan and Brothers, Hyderabad. Dear Sirs, we are in receipt of your letter dated 20th January 2016, wherein you have pointed out the delay on our part in sending the goods ordered by you and the difficulties you faced on account of the delay. We really regret very much the said delay on our part. We wish to bring to your kind attention the circumstances which prevented us from sending the goods ordered promptly. There is a labor problem which resulted in the strike of the workers and the consequent stoppage of production. The labor problem has now been solved and production has already begun. We hope that there will be no further dispute with labor. The workers are now prepared to work overtime to increase the production. We would like to assure you that such delays will not recur. Yours faithfully, Stop.